India's new Dry Kaveri engine ready for Russian flight tests in 2025. India's new Dry Kaveri engine is planned to be ready for Russian flight tests by 2025. It is a state-of-the-art engine developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO. It is primarily aimed at providing indigenous technology for advanced fighter aircraft and platforms like UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. This engine works without afterburner, making it suitable for light fighters and UAVs. It has been designed and manufactured in India. In 2025, the engine will be flight tested in Russia, where it will be tested in various conditions at state-of-the-art facilities. The Dry Kaveri engine is equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, which provide it with enhanced performance, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance. This engine is capable of providing thrust up to 46 to 50 kilonewtons. This engine is being developed under India's Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India initiative. It aims to make India self-reliant in the defense sector and reduce foreign technological dependence. The Kaveri engine project was started in the 1980s, but it faced several technical and financial hurdles. The development of Dry Kaveri is an attempt to give a new direction to this project. After testing in Russia in 2025, this engine could set new milestones in India's aviation sector. This will significantly enhance India's defense and aerospace capabilities. Let's discuss some more aspects to understand more details about the Dry Kaveri engine and its importance. The development project of the Kaveri engine began in the 1980s by the Gas Turbine Research Establishment of DRDO. Its basic objective was to develop an indigenous engine for India's Tejas fighter aircraft. High technical complexity, lack of financial resources, and lack of technical expertise delayed the project. The dry version of the Kaveri engine has been designed without an afterburner, making it ideal for light aircraft and UAVs. It provides a thrust of 46 to 50 kilonewtons, which is enough for light fighters and unmanned aircraft. This engine is excellent in fuel efficiency and is capable of performing for a long time. Its design is simple and durable, reducing maintenance costs. Now let's talk about why the tests in Russia itself. Russia has advanced test facilities, which will be used to assess the reliability and performance of the Kaveri engine. Russia has state-of-the-art technological platforms for aircraft engine testing, which will help optimize testing time and cost for India. What is the strategic importance of this project? The Dry Kaveri engine will strengthen India's indigenous defense capabilities. This technology can be used by India to export engines to other countries in the future. This engine can play a major role for modern UAVs such as the Ghatak stealth drone. With the development of the Dry Kaveri engine, India can join the list of countries that have the manufacturing capacity of aircraft engines. Currently, the countries that master this technology are US, Pratt & Whitney, GE Aviation; Russia, Klimov, Saturn; France, Safran; EU, Rolls-Royce. The Dry Kaveri engine can power indigenous platforms like Tejas and Ghatak. The project will also help India move towards hybrid and electric engine technologies. The Dry Kaveri engine could prove to be a game-changer for India. This is not just a technological achievement, but a major step towards self-reliance, national security, and strengthening India's position at the international level. Its successful tests after 2025 will take India to new heights in the defense and aerospace sector. The following state-of-the-art technologies have been used to develop the Dry Kaveri engine. Flame tube design. The engine uses a highly efficient combustion chamber, which generates maximum energy with minimum fuel consumption. High-temperature materials. Engine parts are made from titanium and nickel-based super alloys, which can withstand high temperatures and pressures. Blade cooling technology. The turbine blade has an advanced cooling system, which ensures high performance for a long time. Digital control system. This engine has FADEC IE. Full Authority Digital Engine Control System, which arranges the engine in an accurate and efficient manner. The Dry Kaveri engine is not limited to fighter aircraft, but it can have many other uses. This engine is highly suitable for future advanced drones, such as stealth drones and long-range UAVs. This technology can also be used in small satellite launch vehicles, SSLVs, and other aerospace projects. If it is made more advanced, it can be used in light passenger aircraft. What are the possibilities and international cooperation now? Relations with Russia. The long-term defense cooperation between India and Russia has given impetus to this project. The advanced testing facilities in Russia will provide a reliable platform for India's engines. Export opportunities. If Dry Kaveri is successful, India can export it to friendly countries such as South Asia, Africa, and Central Asia. New partnerships. There is also the possibility of technical collaboration from companies such as France, Safran, and the US, GE Aviation, which can make it more advanced. The Dry Kaveri engine is a prime example of India's Atmanirbhar Bharat policy. Its successful development and deployment will provide many benefits such as reduction in foreign dependence. Currently, India has to depend on GE, US, and Rolls-Royce, UK, to buy engines for its aircraft. This engine will reduce this dependence. Empowerment of indigenous defense industry. Through engine manufacturing, India will be able to attract new jobs and investment in its defense industry. Economic savings. The huge expenditure incurred on buying foreign engines will be avoided. What will be its role in future projects? AMCA project. The experience of Dry Kaveri will be useful in making indigenous engines for India's advanced medium combat aircraft, AMCA. Stealth drones. This engine can play a major role in India's deadly stealth drone project. Technology for multi-role aircraft. This engine can also be adapted for multi-role fighter jets in the future. While the project is very promising, it also comes with some challenges such as meeting performance standards. Internationally, the challenge will be to make the engine competitive in reliability and performance. Long test time. The advanced testing process will require time and resources. Technological advances. New technologies have to be constantly incorporated to keep the engine relevant for decades to come. The Dry Kaveri engine is not only a technological achievement for India, but it is also an important step towards self-reliance in the country's defense and aerospace sector. Its successful trial in 2025 will not only provide India self-reliance in its fighter aircraft and drones, but will also provide an opportunity to emerge as a major exporter. In a significant development for the aerospace sector, the gas turbine research establishment in India is going to receive a new edition of the Kaveri engine, Dry Kaveri, manufactured by Godrej Aerospace by February next year. The engine will undergo significant in-flight tests using Russia's Il-76 aircraft at the Gromov Flight Research Institute, GFRI, Moscow, Russia. This engine is an important step towards its integration into the deadly Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicles program. Godrej Aerospace, after receiving an order to manufacture 8 modules of this engine in September 2022, has been at the forefront of this indigenous effort, showcasing India's manufacturing capabilities in high-precision aerospace components. After the initial ground tests to ensure basic functionality and performance, the Dry Kaveri will be taken to Russia for integration into the Il-76 aircraft. This step is important to simulate the high altitude and real flying conditions that are required before the engine can be certified for use in deadly UCAVs. The Il-76, known for its robustness and adaptability as a flight test site, will provide the platform for these tests. The integration into the Il-76 involves the replacement of one of its engines with a Dry Kaveri, allowing direct comparison of performance under different conditions. This approach not only tests the stamina and reliability of the engine, but it also provides valuable data about how it integrates with existing aircraft systems, which is crucial for its future in the lethal program. If the Dry Kaveri succeeds in these rigorous tests, it will prove to be a milestone in India's journey towards self-reliance in aero-engine technology. The data collected will be helpful in further refining the engine, ensuring that it meets the stringent requirements of modern warfare scenarios. This can also pave the way for additional orders and potential export opportunities, which will demonstrate India's capability in this sector at the global level. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe.